So today is the one of Louis Vuitton. So let's go. So as you can see, they have a nice package all the time. The orange color, close to be the Halloween color, yeah. And you have the blue strap. So we have the nice and cute box. And I'll show you now the product. Ta-da! So you have a dust bag too. A nice one. And this is the Cobalt Damier of the brand of Louis Vuitton. So you have the cover with this logo, and inside it's a leather, and really a soft leather. This is not the basic one. So that's good because it's less easy to scratch it and flexible with the time. So it's nice. You can put your card here, professional cards or credit card like you want. It's made in France, this one, so we were lucky. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards, and maybe a little more if you want to put it fully packed, but I don't recommend you for to be staying better with the time. And on the side, another one too. So yeah. Look at the border, it's black. It's nice. And the good things, it's really small, so you can put it in the pocket. It's not like disturbing you. It's super light, and yeah, you can use it for what you want. So personally, I'm really enjoying this SLG all the time, and I remember it. I like to remember with the brand where I bought it, so that's why I try to pick where I go, like I have a good souvenir on that. So for this one, we went with Carlo in Rodeo Drive. And I remember we went with our friend, Rain.
Hello, Rain!
So yeah, I'm super happy about this one. So this is an idea just like that for you guys if you want to send this type of gift at your father for the ones coming soon. It's not an expensive one of the brand, and really a cute one. So let's go now regarding about the price. So you have all the time this nice envelope and this nice price. So we bought it for $405, and with the tax is $443.
Under $500.